Without question, there is a lot of graffiti in Athens. It comes from the Greek word graffiti. So after democracy and anarchy, they invented graffiti. Actually, I've no idea if that's true or not. It's been going on since ancient times. In fact, even Lord Byron has tagged a lot of monuments around Greece when he was here back in, way. All of the tags and the rubbish graffiti, there is actually a lot of really great street art. I thoroughly recommend that you do one of the street art walking tours. Excellent, and they'll take you around to show you some of the most famous pieces. There are the Greek versions of Banksy. I think his name is Banksopoulos. There is beauty in the spray. Here's one of the street art tours that I did yesterday. Check it out.
Damaged and painted from random people with messages that didn't make any sense.
This is the same artist, so you can see something completely different. It's been done not more than 5 months, so it's very new. You have to manage to work with the rest. Martinez, his name is. In Athens, because we have on the top, on the bottom, apparently. It's got an office on the CD, which is very close. We're going to pass by later on, and he always does that kind of style. Well, he's not that active anymore, but there are still few pieces around. That's why I'm showing you this. And it's very characteristic, his style, because nobody else is doing it. The guy who did the smoke, the guy who did the eye, yes. So that's his use to know the graffiti artist. He's not an artist, he's a street artist. This guy is not a street artist. He studied in the School of Fine Arts in Athens. He used to do graffiti. And I wanted to go around the square. Where? Because it's different from what is not. So, whenever she sees it. Is there and Miss Merkel, the German Prime Minister. Something else. It's a group of people going and doing this stuff. There are 3 words around Athens. I suffer, wake up. Wake up is in English as well. That's suffer in Greek. And mistake in Greek as well, which has been done with the same technique, with brushes and black color and this type of technique. No graffiti letters, no other colors. Big, huge letters on very high buildings, which are saying those words, which wakes you up kind of thoughts about the system and how they work and how you interact with the system. So it makes you think differently, it wakes you up, let's say.
So look beyond the graffiti and see the art. The main thing is, you spend a few days in Athens, there's always something going on, so take your time and enjoy.